Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through step-by-step solutions to fix the no sound issue on Windows 10. I'll explain everything in a simple, easy-to-follow way so you can get your audio working again in no time. Let's jump right in. The first thing to check is your audio device settings in the control panel. Follow these steps. Solution. Go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel and locate the View by drop-down menu at the top right corner. Select large icons from the drop-down. Now, click on Sound to open the sound settings. Here, you'll see a list of your audio devices. Identify the device you're using, for example, your speakers or headphones. Select your audio device and click Set Default to make it the default playback device. If the device is not enabled, right-click on it and choose Enable. Once you've set your device as default, click Apply and then OK to save the settings. Solution 2. Turn off spatial sound. If the first method didn't work, let's check your spatial sound settings. Sometimes this feature can interfere with audio output. Right-click on the speaker or headphones icon in the taskbar. Select Properties. Navigate to the Spatial Sound tab. Make sure spatial sound is set to off. If it's enabled, turn it off, click Apply, and then OK. Solution 3. Update or reinstall audio drivers in Device Manager. If your sound still isn't working, the problem might be with your audio drivers. Let's fix that by using the Device Manager. Close all open windows and return to the search bar. Type Device Manager and press Enter. In the Device Manager window, find Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and expand the category. Here, you'll see the name of your audio device. For example, mine says Intel Display Audio or Realtek High Definition Audio. Right-click on your audio device and select Uninstall Device. Restart your computer. The system automatically reinstalls the audio driver upon reboot. After restarting, your computer will automatically reinstall the audio driver. Check if the sound issue is resolved. Solution 4. Restart the Windows Audio Service. If the issue persists, the problem might lie with the Windows Audio Service. Here's how to check and restart it. Close the Device Manager and go to the search bar again. Type Services and open the Services application. Scroll down and find Windows Audio in the list of services. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start under Service Status. Click Apply and then OK to save the settings. Restart your computer and check your sound again. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. Set your default audio device in Control Panel. Disable spatial sound if it's turned on. Reinstall or update your audio drivers using Device Manager. Restart the Windows Audio Service in Services. If you've followed all these steps and your sound still isn't working, you might need to check for hardware issues, such as faulty speakers or a damaged headphone jack. I hope this video helped you fix the no sound issue on your Windows 10 PC. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.